Stackable washers and dryers are quickly becoming the most popular option for customers shopping for a new set of laundry. In this video, we'll explain why they're so popular and give you 6 quick tips to help you make the right buying decision. Hi, this is John with Designer Appliances in Bedminster, New Jersey. Every day we help customers just like you pick the right appliances for their homes. Stackable washer and dryer sets are an increasingly popular option for homeowners. Many brands now allow you to vertically stack their models instead of arranging them side by side. There's no shortage of options when it comes to brands or price points, but what benefits can stacking offer and what do you need to know before purchasing a set? So why choose Stackable in the first place? Either you don't have a choice with the amount of space available in your home, or you have the room, but you want to maximize storage and organization capability. If you're watching this video, you obviously fall into one of these categories, but if you're worried about vertically stacking being a complicated or costly process, let's set your fears to rest. The only parts involved are a front-loading dryer, a front-loading washer, and a stacking kit. This kit, generally sold separately, secures the 2 machines together safely. You should never try to stack your washer and dryer without a stacking kit. Even minimal vibrations could cause them to shift, resulting in the top machine falling off and damaging itself, your home, and potentially you or your family. Also, the washer always goes to the bottom in a stacked arrangement since it's much heavier than the dryer and it makes it a more secure, sturdy foundation. As for installing your stackable set, it's the same as a traditional side-by-side set. You'll need a standard 110 volt connection for the washer, plus a water line and a drain. The dryer will either use gas or a 220 volt electric connection. Some dryers offer a steam feature. These units generally require an additional Y adapter and a water line that will allow them to share a water supply with the washer. If you're looking for the bare minimum in terms of installation requirements, our top recommended compact set from Miele is the only set on the market that can run the dryer and washer on a single 120 volt outlet, and it doesn't require a vent to the outside. Now let's go over our 6 quick tips to help you select the right washer and dryer set for your home. Number 1, measure your space. You may be surprised how many customers forget about this step, assuming every washer and dryer will fit since their last set did. So make sure to measure height, width, and depth of the space you have before you purchase. Pay special attention to the depth, as this is the most overlooked dimension and leads to the most problems, especially in closet installations. Also, if you have a stairwell, make sure the width of the stairwell, including the handrails, can accommodate the size of the units. Otherwise, there may be delivery issues. Number 2, double check the height. Remember, you'll have to reach any of the controls on the top of the dryer, so make sure the shortest person in your household can access these buttons as well. Number 3, know your dryer. There are various types of dryers available based on how they're powered and how they vent heat. Gas dryers use gas to power their functions, while electrically powered dryers will use a 220 volt connection, with the exception of the Miele we mentioned earlier that runs on 110. Vented dryers connect using a vent duct to move air from your dryer in your laundry space to the outside. Ventless dryers are typically seen in apartments that do not have direct access to be able to vent to the outside. They use a condenser to get rid of excess moisture and do not require a vent or connection hose. Ideally, you'll want to go with a vented dryer because they're easier to find and do a better job of drying your clothes quickly and effectively. If you have to get a ventless dryer, look for one based on heat pump drying technology, which is also ventless but offers better energy usage and drying performance than condensating dryers due to the efficiency of their design. Number 4, get prepared. Save yourself trouble by purchasing all of the parts you'll need before you install. For example, a set of 2 intake water hoses, hot and cold, a dryer vent kit, a 220 volt electric cord or gas line, and a Y adapter and extra water line if you've purchased a steam dryer. Number 5, don't forget the hinges. Take note of the direction your washer and dryer doors open. Some come with reversible hinges customized to your space, but some don't. In particular, dryer doors are almost always reversible, while washer doors are almost never reversible. Regardless, you'll need to make sure you can load and unload your laundry comfortably, so if hinge location is important for your installation, make sure the units you choose are compatible. And last tip, number 6, lose the pedestals. If you had pedestals for your side-by-side washer and dryer, you won't need them for your stacked set, mainly because it would stack too high for normal reach. We hope this video has given you a great starting point to find the best stackable washer and dryer set for your home. If you have any questions, comment below, give us a call, browse our website, or visit one of our showrooms in either Bedminster or Montclair, New Jersey. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel where we provide tips and advice that will make you an educated appliance shopper.